Kyle Peterson. I'm a member of Brickworld and SOLUG. This is the Southern Ohio Users Group display. It's Galaxy Squad, where we have the fearless Galaxy Squad members fighting off the hordes of alien bugs. We like to have features roughly in every quadrant of the build. So we have a spire here, which has some bugs rotating around it. This is kind of where the bugs are grouping for their attack. Back here we have the alien hive with the queen mother spawning eggs. So they're brooding across and swarming. We have the hatchery here that lights up. Some unsuspecting miners got drawn in, and now they're not sure what's going on. They're hoping to be rescued by the Galaxy Squad. Over here was the original Rock Raiders mining base, and they're trying to mine some sort of rare metal for the space crew, and then they unwoken the alien hordes, unfortunately. And then we have the Galaxy Squad, which set up base here. We have a giant space tower, and of course, last, we have the Waffle House, the intergalactic eatery, because we can't have our troops starving, can we?
They need somewhere to eat, so that's really awesome. I noticed you also kind of have, is that a wrecked ship over there?
Yes, this was the section I built here, so I was in charge of the hive and the landing site where there's a crash, and of course some of the Orange Lightning team coming in to put out the fire and hopefully rescue the pilot before she gets taken away and put into an egg sack.
Very nice. How many people did you say were involved with this build?
3 members of Southern Ohio Legos Users Group.
Okay. And about how long did it take? I don't know if you guys kept track of the time or anything like that.
Individually, I don't know. I can only speak for myself, and I'm probably looking at 4 straight weeks of building. Yeah, probably 6 to 8 hours a day. You got to really love the hobby.
Yeah, that's for sure. Is this something you guys hadn't put together until you actually got to the convention, or how did that work?
Well, we had staged it with the base plates and kind of had a layout in our head of where all the main features would go. But as far as the bugs and the minifigs and the smaller vehicles, yeah, this is the first time they've all shown up together.